We're gonna play Baa Baa Black Sheep, and then A, rest. For have you any wool, rest. And remember, that's what we call the little black squiggles right there. We don't call them little black squiggles. We call them quarter rests. But most of the time when we see them, we'll just think rest. So let's try one more time from the beginning and make sure to say rest when we see the little black squiggle. C, C, G, G. Your turn. And then when the A's get small, they go twice as fast. A, G, rest. Let's go down a little further now. These are all big notes, so they'll all be the same speed. F, F, E, E. Your turn. And then D, D, C. And what do we call that? Yeah, say rest. All right, let's go to measure 5, 6, 7, and 8. And look, we've got a joke from Beethovetar. What do you call a dancing sheep? A ballerina. Okay, let's go to measure number 5 here, and let's play G, 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 F, F. Your turn. And notice when we had the little G's, they got faster, like long, short, short, long, long. Or you could think big, small, small, big, big. Or you could just think the letters like this. G, 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 F, F. And let's go to measure number 6. E, 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 D, hold. And remember how that looks when we look at our hand here. We're going to go E, 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 D, and I'm holding it down and then I lift it off. Then let's go back to our song. Now we've got a bunch of little notes. Watch this. Big, small, small. Just try that part. Go G, G, G. And then we have 4 little F's, so there'll be 4 quick F's. F, 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 F. And then try all of that together. G, 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 F, 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 F. And then E, 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 D, hold and lift off. And now, remember, this is one of our long songs like level 2. But here, we're going to go measure number 9, C, C, G, G. And then A, G, rest. Then F, F, E, E, D, D, C, hold, and then double bar means that we're at the end of the song. And you've done a wonderful job. Practice it as many times as you need to, and give yourselves a giant round of applause, and let's be playful. Great job.